Hey everybody, Joe81X here. Do you see what I see? Well, yes, it happened. It happened. Ba-bum, ba-bum, ba-bum. Alert the lawman. Ba-bum, ba-bum, ba-bum. It came in 4 times on June 21st. I don't know why it came in 4 times, except that this word has a Z in it, and these have S's in it. Hit pause, but I don't think there's any other mistakes, except this right here. You told. Here's what you told us. I got monetized. February, March, April, May, June. 4 months and 1 day. 4 months and 1 day. And 1 email in my previous videos, couple videos ago. Oh, I'm tired, huh? Thank you. Thank you, everybody who made that happen. I'm at 1,300 and change subscribers. We did it. We did it. I'm now monetized. You know what that means, right? Let me tell you what that means. I have 23 videos starting Monday. Oh, man. I have 3 sprinkler videos. I have a couple of Burger Time arcade videos. And a shitload of pinball videos. And then a surprise at the very end. I'm going to thank you again for watching. But there's a month's videos that I've been waiting for to get monetized. That's it. It happened. The day has come. The day is here. You will finally see a full Chuchi review on my firepower. You will finally see a full review on the Burger Time arcade. And my version of the sprinklers. The day it got installed, and a walkthrough to what it looks like now since April. How you doing? How you fucking doing? Again, Joe81X was just monetized. Thank you very much. Means a lot because YouTube pulled it. I don't make a lot of money, nor do I need the money, but everyone needs money. But I'm just saying is that money doesn't pay for this. You know, I have a career. Made $731 last year, and it stays in the bank. You know, it helps. And the videos that I'm going to chooch up, I'm not going to make. It was just listen, everyone who's going through it, or it was just like a fuck you to YouTube. You took it from us, and now it was a big push to get it back. I got it back. Again, Joe81X was monetized. Thank everybody that made it happen, and thank the future people that's going to subscribe to me from now on to the future. Hopefully YouTube stops and nothing else happens where they have to say, oh, next year we're going to do this. Ooh. So have a drink. Relax. Sit back. You know, have a little goose with your coffee. Maybe a little Frankie with your Hall & Oates. Now I'm just rambling. Hit like, hit subscribe. Thank you in advance for watching my month's videos. And stay tuned. Joe81 got monetized. You could get monetized. Just stick at it. Don't quit. This message has been brought to you by the power invested in me and the state of Nevada. Goodbye.